That video is fucking blowing right now.
Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom.
Anyway, I'm on the way to London for big Rio's wedding. We're running late, so that's why we decided to bring the Turbo GT so we can go a bit quicker today. Jake was a bit late, 1 hour late, so I'm still sleeping when we got to his house. Get a fucking price on the lease for the building?
Oh, and did they ring you back?
No.
Log that twig.
What the fuck? He's got chocolate on him and we're going to a wedding.
Everywhere.
Oh no, look at me, please. Look at me. That's right. You don't have a donut while going fucking... Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Stopped at Beaconsfield Services. Got myself a little Starbucks. 6 PM.
Lick it or something.
Keep me going.
Lick it. Just lick it.
Licking a donut off his white shirt. We arrived. What do you think about the drive down?
Drive down was spectacular. It took us 2 hours to get to Beaconsfield. Joe was really late.
In the Cayenne Turbo GT. Jake, let's take a look at your shirt, please.
Suited and booted, mate.
Nice tux.
Let's show them what. Oh, that's cool.
No, he drives too crazy. Yeah. From an older guy with a lot of experience, should calm himself down.
Bro, do you know he's already writ off a car before?
No, when I was 17,
He writ off a Mazda?
Yeah, but
Is he not
listen,
surprised?
writing off that car was the reason JnJ started, because I had to get in a Kia and start cleaning windows, and then he said, let's clean cars. If I never writ that
Rising
car
up a car, JnJ would be nothing.
if I didn't write that car up, I don't think I'd be here today. Basically, guys, obviously you don't know who Will is, but he does all of our car financing.
Always looking, always ready. Watch this space for their next car.
Right.
I'm a whooper.
Wonder what recovery I've got. I actually don't know. Process my sleep. I'm saying it feels like 50%. That's how I feel. What time?
I'm really upset someone's actually broken the XBell F1 car.
Not defo you.
That wasn't me, it was on that table over there.
Tuesday afternoon, just before I go away, but we're still smashing out the PPF. Me and Danny over there somewhere. He's tackling the GTR engine bay, getting that all perfect. As you see here, how's it looking, Danny?
It's getting there.
It's getting there. So we only do the engine bay with steam, making sure it's completely safe and we get a perfect finish on all these plastics. Here I'm about to tackle the front bumper of the Audi R8, so we're doing full PPF coverage on this. About to put it on, it's pre-cut. It's going to have all the wrapped edges inside here, wrapped around here for an invisible finish. So let's crack on with that. I'll set you guys up and you can watch the process. You ready, Danny?
Yeah, boy.
Quite important. And oh, by the way, use ManyChat. Remember ManyChat for Instagram to auto message people that follow you. If I did that from the start, I would have had a message 120, well, probably 200,000 people because you get unfollowed, obviously. Bloody hell, even if I made 100 sales from that.
So Aaron's coming for the Valeting Day Masterclass and the Marketing Masterclass. Fully complete it. Enjoy it?
Yeah, it's really good experience. I feel like I can just go start now, got the knowledge to, so.
Appreciate you coming. Came all the way down from Scotland. What was it, 5 hour drive?
5 hours on.
Fair play to him, but he's going to smash it. I've got his certificate over here called AMAC Detailing. Check him out if you're up in Scotland.
A bit of dark chocolates. A bit of dark. Who's ate all this?
Danny?
Shane's still doing that maintenance, mate.
Yes.
Yeah, still
It is.
doing that maintenance.
It's fucked.
It was bad.
It's fucked.
Shit, what? Yeah, it's perfect. No, honestly. No, it's fine. I did warn the guy though, he didn't get a deep clean.
I went there. I did extra on it.
It's a company policy. Yeah, it's done. Quickly back it up, pack it up, done. Sweet.
How's the maintenance been treating you, Shane?
Yeah, it's been good.
Yeah?
Good. So bad.
Nice little Tuscan, and this is the problem with carpets like this, they've just got bits everywhere. Any advice on how you get them out?
Just keep drilling. Use a drill bush.
Drilling and compressor. Yeah.
Back.
Yeah. Drill, compress, vac. That's your go-to.
Keep doing that forever.
Yeah.
Thank you, Andy. Take care, mate. Thanks a lot. Cheers.
Thanks for that. No, take care.
Straight and narrow.
What's that on? Not talking. Oh, got a good one.
Oh.
So I'm gonna call. Oh, Jesus, somewhere off speed. The electric power. Oh, lovely, lovely song. When I was on the way here, I didn't feel good. When I leave, I'm gonna feel good. I'm gonna feel like I've accomplished something.
Energized.
It just gives you that energy. And then when I get into bed, I'm just gonna have about 10 new business ideas because I've been to the gym.
Right, let's go wrap up the gym session. Ops.
It was really good.
Yeah?
But yeah, that do is make sure on Facebook and Instagram codes. So it's just a ceramic level. It's like so you can pixel coded into your website. You can hotspot contact form today. So yeah. Bambi. How much do I need to start and be rich like you? Firstly, I'm not rich. What did he need? 5 grand, in my opinion, can give you a really, really good start. At what point you are like a married couple non-stop bickering? Rory,
the racing girl. Right, let's go wrap it up for that video. I've just finished editing it. It's a bit chaotic, a bit messy, but we're trying to give you a behind the scenes of what it's like here at JnJ, and at times it is crazy here. So let me know what you think of the video. Any suggestions on what you want to see in the future videos, etc. Just let us know in the comments. Appreciate a like and share. See you on the next one, guys, which is next week. Peace.